Hi friends, this video shows how to fix full screen issue. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. You can see right now this display is not in full screen. So I am going to fix this issue and make this display full screen. Go to settings, select the settings icon. Go to device preferences. Select display. Set the screen position. Select this option, screen position. Here we can see two options, zoom in screen and zoom out screen. Using this zoom in screen option, we can make display full screen. Let me select zoom in screen. You can see current scaling is 82%. We have to make it 100. That way we can make this display full screen. Let me go to 100%. Done. Now current scaling is 100%. Let me test it. Go to home screen. See, now display is in full screen. So this way we can fix this full screen issue. Please check it.